Welcome to a new lineup crafted for everyone who loves discovering kitchen upgrades with real impact. Today, we're diving into the most desired cooking gadgets on Amazon, and every single one of them comes with standout deals available this week. If enjoying clever tools that save time and bring joy to your routine is your thing, hit subscribe, tap like, and share a comment telling me which one sparks your curiosity. And remember, every link is waiting in the description so you can check today's offers the moment something catches your eye. Let's explore these irresistible kitchen finds. This powerhouse blends, chops, slices, and crushes with a strength that turns dense ingredients into smooth creations in seconds. Its processing lid, slicing discs, and nutrient cup open the door to bowls, sauces, shakes, and spreads with clean textures and steady control. Frozen fruit, nuts, and veggies break down with calm precision, giving every mix a richer finish. And the surprising part is how accessible it feels at $159.99. Imagine an oven that elevates every dish with a calm blend of moisture and heat. Steam keeps textures tender, while a soft burst of air adds a crisp finish that feels crafted with intention. Bread emerges warm and fragrant, proteins stay juicy, and vegetables keep their natural brightness. Its guided presets remove hesitation, helping each meal unfold with quiet confidence. And embracing this new way of cooking becomes possible for $307.99. There's something immediately satisfying about a tool that responds the moment your hand touches it. This handheld blender follows your movement with a smooth trigger that gives you complete control, shifting from gentle mixing to confident power in a single motion. Thick vegetables, nuts, and dense ingredients turn into silky blends as the flexible blade moves up and down, expanding the cutting surface and creating a texture that feels refined rather than forced. Its design keeps splashes contained, letting you work freely without worrying about messes or interruptions. Soups become velvety, smoothies gain a balanced finish, and sauces reach a depth that normally takes far more time. Switching attachments happens with a quiet click, opening the door to chopping, whisking, pureeing, and mashing without slowing your rhythm. Every detail is crafted for comfort, speed, and consistency, bringing a professional feeling right into your kitchen routine. And enjoying this level of precision arrives at $79.95. Picture a cordless blender that moves with you, turning frozen fruit and ice into smooth blends with a calm, confident push. Its vessel twists off instantly, letting you sip on the go without extra steps. 3 guided programs shape each drink with steady precision, keeping every mix consistent and bright. Cleaning stays simple, and the charge indicator removes guesswork. All this convenience arrives for $59.99. There's a special kind of comfort in cooking when everything comes out at the right moment. This dual-zone oven makes that harmony possible, letting you prepare 2 completely different dishes at once with temperatures that suit each one. The French doors open to a spacious interior that handles family portions with ease, while QuickSync brings every part of the meal to the table. At the same time, frozen ingredients turn into golden, fragrant food in minutes, giving weeknights a lift and gatherings a smoother rhythm. And enjoying this balance of speed and flavor becomes yours for $249.99. Some blenders mix ingredients. This one reshapes them with the strength you feel from the very first whirl. The Explorian's programs guide each creation with calm precision, shifting from creamy smoothies to warm soups and chilled desserts without hesitation. Its stainless steel blades sweep through fibrous produce, frozen fruit, and ice, forming a smooth vortex that turns every blend into something polished. The roomy container invites generous batches while still sliding comfortably under most cabinets, and cleanup becomes a simple swirl of warm water and soap that restores everything in under a minute. A pulse setting sharpens textures, variable speeds refine consistency, and the renewed inspection brings peace of mind backed by years of support. It's the kind of tool that brings confidence to your counter and inspiration to your routine. And welcoming that experience into your kitchen comes at $299.95. Think of those evenings when cooking feels rushed. This fryer turns that pressure into calm. 2 baskets operate on their own paths, giving every recipe the attention it deserves while keeping textures crisp and light. Its sync feature brings both dishes out at the same moment, warm and ready to enjoy. A gentle shake reminder keeps everything even, and cleanup slips by with ease thanks to its non-stick design. This touch of comfort settles into your routine for $99.94. There's a certain joy in starting the day with a drink that feels crafted just for you. This machine turns that feeling into a daily ritual, grinding fresh beans, dosing with care, and brewing with a smooth, balanced flow, all from a single touch. Its dual hoppers invite you to shift effortlessly between rich roasts and gentler blends, letting each cup match your mood without slowing your routine. The burr grinder shapes every bean with precision, while the milk frother creates a soft, velvety foam that lifts lattes, cappuccinos, and iced creations into something far more indulgent. Guided steps help you fine-tune intensity, warmth, and quantity, so your preferred flavor becomes a saved favorite. You can return to anytime. It's a thoughtful blend of convenience and luxury, bringing cafe-level comfort to your counter. And welcoming this experience into your mornings begins at $1,199.95. Some appliances make cooking easier. This one reshapes the entire routine. It brings air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and rotisserie into a single space that fits comfortably on the counter. Rapid Air. Circulation replaces long preheats, turning ingredients golden and crisp with a light touch instead of heavy oil. Its presets guide each dish with clarity, letting beginners and seasoned cooks create satisfying meals without second-guessing. The wide window and bright interior light make it simple to follow every stage, while the roomy capacity handles family portions or weekly meal prep without crowding cleanup. Stays gentle thanks to dishwasher-safe pieces that release food effortlessly. And bringing this level of variety and comfort into your kitchen comes in at $79.99. Cooking feels different when every pan responds with balance and ease. This set brings that feeling to life with lightweight construction that stays strong under heat, giving each piece a smooth, steady surface that releases food with barely a nudge. Its ceramic coating keeps flavors clean and pure, free from harsh chemicals while heating evenly so sauces turn silky and sears stay golden. Metal lids return moisture to your dishes like a gentle cascade, deepening flavor without extra effort. Each piece shifts from stovetop to oven with confidence, opening more possibilities for everyday meals, and welcoming this level of comfort and refinement into your kitchen begins at $249.99. There's something special about crafting your own espresso, and this machine brings that moment within reach. Its compact frame fits neatly on the counter while delivering a rich, full-bodied shot through steady pump pressure. The steam wand lets you shape milk into smooth, velvety foam for lattes or cappuccinos with a comforting cafe feel. Different cup heights fit easily, and the stainless steel boiler keeps performance steady over time. This touch of ritual becomes yours for $99.95. Some pots simplify dinner. This one reshapes the whole routine. It sautés, simmers, braises, and cooks grains in a single space, letting you build full meals without moving between pans. The roomy capacity handles family portions with ease, while the pot shifts from cooker to oven for a crisp finish that feels homey and satisfying. Cleanup stays gentle, and the compact base keeps counters open. Bringing this all-in-one comfort into your kitchen comes in at $109.99. When cravings call for something crisp without the heaviness, this fryer steps in with a gentle, even heat that lifts every ingredient. Fries come out golden, chicken stays juicy, and veggies gain a satisfying bite. A shake reminder keeps each batch balanced, while the spacious basket handles family portions without crowding. Cleanup wraps up quickly thanks to its non-stick pieces, and bringing this smooth, everyday convenience home starts at $74.99. Busy days feel lighter when dinner cooks on its own rhythm, and this dual basket fryer makes that possible. Two independent chambers let you prepare separate dishes at once, then bring them out together with the sync finish feature. Heat rises quickly, crisping vegetables, chicken, or leftovers with a clean, satisfying texture. Wide windows make it easy to watch every stage, and cleanup stays effortless with dishwasher-safe baskets. This smooth upgrade joins your counter for $79.99. Cooking becomes calmer when the appliance does the thinking for you, and this smart cooker leans into that promise. It links to the Chef IQ app, offering step-by-step videos that guide each recipe with steady clarity while sending exact settings to the pot for flawless timing. A built-in scale measures ingredients as you add them, removing guesswork and trimming prep, so meals come together with less distraction and more confidence. Pressure release happens automatically, keeping the process safe and smooth. And hundreds of presets help you choose the right approach for everything from rice to stews to tender vegetables. Updates arrive wirelessly, refining the cooker over time so it grows with you. Accessories give room for both delicate steaming and heartier dishes, turning one pot into a full cooking system. Bringing this thoughtful blend of innovation and ease into your kitchen begins at $149.99. Some days call for a meal that takes care of itself, and this slow cooker brings that comfort with quiet reliability. Its simple dial lets you choose the pace low, high, or a gentle warm setting that keeps food ready when you are. The stoneware crock handles family portions with ease, moving straight from cooker to table without fuss. Cleanup stays light thanks to dishwasher-safe pieces, and this easygoing helper joins your kitchen for $33.95. There's a small thrill in turning plain water into something lively, and this maker captures it with one smooth pull. Its retro look blends easily into any counter, while reusable cylinders keep the bubbles flowing without waste. Flavor drops open endless ways to personalize each drink, from a simple fizz to something playful and bright. Bottles lock in with ease, ready in seconds. And bringing this spark of freshness home begins at $110.24. Some cookware earns a spot on the counter because it solves problems you didn't even realize you had. This skillet cooks generous meals on an even, steady surface, then stores upright to save precious space. The secure lid makes traveling effortless. Your dish arrives just as you made it. Adjustable heat lets you move from a gentle simmer to a lively sauté, while cool touch handles keep things comfortable, and this clever companion becomes yours for $39.98. Great food feels effortless when you can trust every detail, and this smart thermometer brings that confidence to your kitchen or grill. Its sensors read internal and ambient temperatures with striking precision, guiding you with reminders, rest timers, and real-time updates so proteins stay tender and full of flavor. Wi-Fi lets you step away without losing track, and the probes withstand intense heat while keeping juices where they belong. Cleanup is simple, and the hub charges everything at once. This level of control settles into your cooking for $159.95. There's a certain magic in hearing kernels burst to life, and this vintage-style cart brings that feeling right into your home. Its gleaming kettle stirs every batch with steady motion, filling the chamber with up to 32 cups of warm, movie theater popcorn that feels bright, fragrant, and undeniably fun. The tempered glass windows let you watch the show unfold while keeping everything safe and contained. Compatible kits make seasoning simple, whether you want classic butter, sweet blends, or bold flavors for family nights. The kettle lifts out for quick cleaning, and the cart's nostalgic design turns any corner of your home into a cheerful gathering spot. It's a blend of charm, performance, and playful energy. And bringing this little taste of theater into your space begins at $199.99. Some dishes deserve cookware that feels as thoughtful as the meal itself, and this porcelain set brings that touch of care to every recipe. 4 sizes let you move from small sides to generous casseroles with ease, each piece shaped with smooth lines and sturdy handles that stay comfortable in your grip. The glaze keeps surfaces bright and resistant to chips or stains, making cleanup gentle and quick. These pans shift effortlessly between oven, fridge, and microwave, supporting both everyday cooking and special occasions. And adding this dependable set to your kitchen begins at $47.99. Freshness carries a certain satisfaction, especially when you can keep it longer than you ever thought possible. This vacuum sealer makes that simple. It removes air with a steady pull, creating an airtight seal that protects flavor, texture, and color for months or even years in the freezer. Each strip heats evenly, so every closure feels firm and reliable. Whether you're storing leftovers, organizing weekly meals, or prepping ingredients for sous vide cooking, the built-in cutter trims bags to the exact size you need, reducing waste and keeping the process smooth. It works with both rolls and pre-cut bags, and the included accessories open more ways to preserve sauces, dry goods, and delicate items. A handheld port connects to compatible containers for quick storage without fuss. Sturdy construction and a long warranty bring peace of mind, turning this into a tool you'll lean on often. And keeping food at its best with this level of ease starts at $99.99. A warm drink feels even better when it's made with the exact heat it deserves. And this kettle gives you that control with a calm, steady touch. 7 presets guide water to the right temperature, while soft LED colors show each stage at a glance. The infuser lets you brew loose tea for a full pot of smooth flavor. And the cordless design makes serving effortless. Safety shutoff adds peace of mind. And this everyday comfort becomes yours for $27.99. It's surprising how much freedom you gain when crispy, golden meals no longer need a bulky appliance. This compact system brings full air fryer power to your counter, turning glass containers into fast, versatile cookers that move from freezer to heat without hesitation. Small and large batches cook beautifully, lids lock tight for travel, and everything nests neatly away. Cleanup is simple, storage stays tidy, and this burst of convenience arrives at $159.99. There's a simple pleasure in watching batter transform into something warm and golden, and this waffle maker turns that moment into a small ritual. Its rotating design spreads every drop evenly, giving each waffle a soft interior wrapped in a crisp, inviting shell. A browning dial lets you choose the exact finish you love, from light and fluffy to deep and crunchy. The non-stick plates release each piece cleanly, and the drip tray lifts out for quick washing. When breakfast is done, it tucks away upright to free your counter. And you can bring this morning treat home for $29.99.